This is where I work. Yeah. So they want it. Yes. And also this. I have a list of all the cards they want. And then I stick it here. And that will be like that. Like this.
Nice. Wow, beautiful.
I just got a big order from the shop in Amsterdam. So I have to make 150 cards. A lot of cards. No. And this I also make for the Japanese shop, the Sakura. And there will be a workshop in March in the shop on Sunday afternoon, and then I will make this with 14 or 15 people. These little flowers.
これ欲しい私。これ。うちさ、ほら花ないからさ。でも私。
For instance, your clock. For instance, your clock. Then I take my paper. They are denser. Yeah. Maybe you know this.
Wow!
Oh,
I didn't know this. Wow. Did you think of it or you just...
No, I didn't. I found it on the internet. I found a YouTube film and they showed how to make
そう
this.
そう、折り紙ってする。
It goes round and round
And round and yeah.
Oh, 靴に動く。
I made this during the Corona period. This you can do in 2 hours.
And how many hours was this?
Maybe.
折り紙は
mm.
80, 81, 82, 83, 84,
の
86, 87, 88,
あ、英語も書いてあるね。
No, it was I think 89. And a friend of mine made a book of it because it's very expensive magazine. She made from 1 year the book. So I think I had it for 3 years.
Oh, it's all
So if you can read the,
right.
yeah, then you don't need to be able to read Japanese. So I can make it because I know how to translate the, yeah.
Whose paint is that?
No, that's also a friend of mine.
Oh, wow.
He's a painter.
Nice.
So this is where I stay. And sometimes in the weekends we have guests. This is a bed, it can be so there is a bathroom there, and we also have another. This is a bathroom for the guests, and we also have another room.
Another room?
Yeah.
Another room.
Ah.
No, sometimes there are families staying here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is another room.
Oh wow. Wow, it's
Yeah.
nice.
And then there's a family with 2 kids, and I can make another bed here.
Ah.
They stay. Yeah. Airbnb. We do Airbnb.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice Airbnb. Mm.
How do you get the water from?
We have big tanks. We have 4,000 liters of water. So we can do 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
You buy from somewhere, like somebody bring the
No,
water?
there's a tap.
Oh, the top water from there. Oh, okay.
So we pay every month for this place,
Uh-huh.
and it's including the water.
Oh.
Yeah. Mhm.
So how this boat house is registered as a house? You don't have to? Like,
Well, we need an address. So
right, yeah.
yeah, so we live at the place of our daughter. We don't live there, but the bank and the
Oh, okay.
needs an address. We don't have an address because we are
Moving around.
moving. Yeah.
Yeah.
So she is our home address.
Oh, so you need a permit for parking over here, like for
Yes,
the boat, right?
you have to talk with the authorities, with the harbor master,
Mm-hmm.
and he says there is a place here for you
Oh, okay.
this year, maybe next year not.
Oh, you
We
might
can-
gonna move?
Really?
We stay here from the 1st of November till 1st of April, and then we have to move.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's short.
That's short, yes, that's the only steady time we are in Groningen. Yeah. In
Yeah.
July we go for a summer holiday, and then we are away for 2 months.
Ah.
And then we come back, hopefully next year in November. But hopefully we can stay here. But we're never sure. It's always
It's kind of fun. you don't have to like stay one place.
no,
You can
we're
just
always different.
yeah move.
So you-
Sometimes we go to Amsterdam. We are there for a few days. Yeah.
Is it easy to get a permit for the boat to park, like stay over a couple days or maybe months?
Now months is difficult,
Months
but a
is
few days is always possible.
Oh, okay.
You have to call the harbor and then ask if there's a place.
Right.
Ah.
They show you can be here for 1 week or for a few days. Or, yeah. But if you want to stay for a month, that's a problem. Yeah.
Make power yourself?
Yes, we partially we have some panels on the roof, but they're not functioning now. And at this moment we have a cable also to the mainland.
Oh.
But we also have a small motor generator,
Oh,
and we have a big battery. Yeah. So in summertime we don't need current, but in wintertime there's not enough sun.
Oh.
okay. So it's possible to stay permanently at the same location or at the
Well,
boat
not
house?
here, but all the houseboats inside Groningen, they have an address.
Oh, okay.
But they don't move. They
they just
They
stay.
can't move, but the mailman can come.
yes,
But
no,
not
not here. No,
here.
no. That's the problem. When I order something at the internet, I always
Oh,
have to
right.
find an
Yeah.
address. But sometimes you can send it to a supermarket or to my daughter's home, and then.
So maybe not.
So most of it comes from Japan. I'm not sure, but there are also English companies who make it.
Oh yeah, I've seen that one.
Yeah.
Online.
Yeah, yeah. But a lot comes from